Rocketing property insurance bill or you had your policy canceled, you know Florida is in a crisis.
Now, the state legislature has focused on protecting and keeping insurance companies in business here and weeding out what they call bad actors in the business. Tonight, our investigation looks at how the state got into the situation and steps you can take to protect yourself and your home. This is what's primarily to blame for Florida's crumbling property insurance industry, exploding premiums, and policy cancellations. Among all 50 states, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration shows that Florida is hit by the most hurricanes with the highest risk of catastrophe.
I am insured with Citizen. My previous insurance company raised the price so high, I couldn't afford it.
How high did your premium go?
It went to about $6,000 a year.
From what?
From $3,400.
So you just said can't do it?
Can't do it.
By the end of this year, an estimated 2 million Florida homeowners will be like Port St. Lucie's Vernon Rainey, insured by the state-backed insurer of Last Resort, while private companies fold or flee Florida.
It's why they're going out of business. Frivolous lawsuits, right? And it all started, I would say this here, with the mess. It's all started with the AOB, all right? AOB is assignment of benefits.
Fort Pierce insurance agent Greg Jerger is seeing clients getting their policies canceled after first getting swindled. Unscrupulous contractors inflate repair costs, then convince homeowners to sign over their AOB, the rights to their policy benefits. The contractor then pockets thousands from insurers, which eventually reach a financial breaking point and close up shop. Greg advises any client who can afford it to make storm mitigating home improvements themselves, even a new roof, to keep their houses insurable, and that might require help from the state.
Let's give these people some credits that they can work with. Credits in terms of rebates. You did something to your home, could we come up with some grant money?
If your policy gets canceled, call your insurance agent immediately. There can be options, but you're now competing for coverage. Citizens is the last option, but a new state law will force you to take whatever a private insurer charges if the premiums are less than 20% higher than what Citizens would cost. And speaking of higher, rising home prices also mean rising repair costs.
I built my house 40 years ago. I had about $150,000 in it. I was offered $750,000. It's not worth $750,000. I have no place to go. I was born and raised here in Florida and have no intentions of leaving. But they need to do something about insurance.
Now, protecting yourself from losing your policy or getting priced out may come down to what you can pay for yourself right now. That can mean replacing your roof if it's approaching 15 years old or older, removing large trees or branches that could threaten your home in a storm, installing wind protection like hurricane straps, shutters, other roof bracing measures that could get you a rate discount or keep your rates from rising too much. Finally, you may have to consider flood insurance or a secondary water damage policy, which is not common for a lot of people. None of it is cheap or, of course, even possible for a lot of us.